London, 1814. A brewery worker noticed one iron hoop had snapped on a giant vat of porter. That sounded bad, but no one expected what came next. About an hour later, the vat exploded. The blast tore through a brewery wall and sent a dark wave of beer into St. Giles. More than 2 million pints rushed through the streets. Basements filled, homes collapsed. 8 people were killed. Then came the strangest verdict. The disaster was ruled an act of God. The brewery survived after reclaiming tax on the beer it lost. But London brewing changed forever because one broken iron hoop had turned a drink into a flood.